snowdrift.
Alright.
I'm gonna count to 3. If you don't go, I'm gonna shove your ass.
Okay.
1, 2, 3.
The camera tilted down.
Okay, don't move over. It's Chris's turn.
Oh crap! I don't think you're gonna do that. Are you gonna do that, Krista?
You wanna jump off, baby?
Yes.
Oh man, that was great.
Okay, you can push the button on the top of your camera and it'll turn it off. And then it'll start a new video in a minute. Oh.
That didn't go too well.
Dalton fell off the back right as you slid her up there. Okay, Krista, you ready?
Okay.
Ray.
I'm just gonna.
Just shove her. Shove her, Ray, shove her.
Oh, yes! A weenie! I forgot my iPod was in my pocket. Take it.
Why was it outside with you at all?
I didn't remember that it was in my pocket.
So you've been in slush. And it's been wet?
Oh, no, just my butt. Just my butt. Just my butt was wet.
Put it in the
Pretty
bag of
damn
rice.
cold.
Put it in the bag of rice.
Oh,
Snap
crud.
back up.
I want to do that again. That was fun.
Ooh, good gravy. Okay.
I want to do that again.
Aim out further, Dalton. Jump further.
Jump further, Dalton.
Jump further out.
Krista, move your head.
You want me to push it?
No.
Okay.
Jump way out, bub.
Jump way out there.
1, 2, 3. Ah! Oh! You good? That thing's hurt.
Okay, Krista.
Oh.
You got it?
I think so.
Are you gonna stand up on it?
Heck no.
Why not? You should. Might as well. You're not gonna get as far if you don't stand up, baby. Huh?
I'm not standing up then.
Okay. Stop being a weenie.
Oh.
I told you.
I think I'm stuck. I'm stuck. You must love the snow. I want to jump on some more.
Ray, fix his camera so that his hood's not making it go down. There you go.
Take my hood off.
Nope. Right there. You're good.
Jump it again. Over there.